Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. In case you want any information about our video courses, about our research group, about our Amazon-like platform TRFX Academy, about our audio courses, about our research, about our free reports, about our fixed income platform, you can definitely WhatsApp 9818485155. I repeat 9818485155. You know that I served the treasury function from 2007 till 2016, which is precisely 9.5 to 10 years. In these 10 years, I dealt with almost all banks of the globe, small, big, medium, Indian bank, US bank, European banks, and almost every bank. And I understood something which can only be understood via a practical angle. Because again and again, I keep saying that in 2007, I was having a deep respect for US banks, and now really a bit of respect because I know how exactly they work. Many people often come to me and they say that they wanted to join the front office of the treasury career, they wanted to join the back office, they wanted to join the middle office, and something like that. And I'm always of the opinion that, hey guys, why do you really wish to join these careers if you do not have the knowledge? And they come to me that no, people often ask about certifications. I agree, people often ask about certifications. I fail to understand, in as far as the India is concerned, you can be in a treasury function with a normal MBA or a normal CA degree. I don't see there is any certification which is required as far as the Indian treasury function is concerned. Of course, at the same point of time, I need to appreciate that 99.9% of the Indian corporate treasuries are cost driven. They are not profit driven. Example, they treat their treasury resource as a cost center. And what is the maximum role treasury person can get? FD, mutual funds, RTGS, NEFT, and dollar selling or dollar buying. Forget NDF, IRS, and all these things because people themselves do not know about that. Every day we get several emails on our email wherein the companies consult us, they ask us how to do and something like that. But the hard reality is, there is no need. Most of the time we felt that people, those who are sitting in the treasury function, they are simply clueless about what to do, and the end result we all understand. But guys, most important thing apart from the certifications which you need to understand is the knowledge in the treasury function, and that can only be possible provided you understand the practical implications of treasury. If you are expecting that your company will give you the practical knowledge, it will never happen. Example, I do not want you to quote the name of bankers, but I interacted with many bankers, and even today I am interacting with most of the bankers on a daily basis. On Thomson Reuters, we have our platforms, Thomson Reuters Messenger, Bloomberg Messenger. We're interacting with a lot of bankers on daily basis. If you ask any slightly different question, they will immediately come and say, we do not know because we do not deal in that. You know what happened? That first of all, we need to understand, like many people ask us that I wanted to be in a bank treasury function. Hey guys, wait. In a bank treasury function, if you wanted to be in a front office domain, you first need to make your mind very clear which part, because non-deliverable forward is definitely outside the scope. So that is excluded completely. You are here for deliverable. You wanted to be a salesperson in a treasury. You wanted to be a trader. Trader you cannot be because for that you need a very experienced skill set, or you wanted to be a valuation expert. Like example, do you really know that every treasury department of any bank, you name any bank in the world, either it's a big bank like Goldman or it's a small bank, any small bank of any country, they are having a dedicated team of valuation experts. And this team is consistently doing the valuation of the trades which the bank is trading. Example, today Goldman take billions and billions of trades. Is it they don't value it? Is it they don't know the mark to market of that? Is it they don't know the L1, L2, L3 of that? No, they know it on a real time basis. That's the reason they are successful, guys. They are the best prop desk of the globe because they have real time information. But the question is that I don't know that people come to me and say that I wanted to be in a corporate treasury function. Hey guys, wait, you wanted to be in a corporate treasury function or you wanted to be in a bank treasury, but how? And in which part, guys? You wanted to be a front office person, you wanted to be a middle office person, or you wanted to be a valuation person? And basically, even in the front office person, which part, guys? Do you know that bank treasuries have a dedicated people in front office? They have a dedicated people in forward contract who is expert in forward. They have dedicated people in option who is expert in option. They have dedicated people in swaps who is expert in swap. They have dedicated people in IRS who is interested in interest rate swap. They have dedicated people in POS and COS. They have dedicated people in LIBOR based product. By the way, now very soon it would be SOFR. It is not like that one person whose name is Rahul Magan who sits at any Bank of India or US, he deals in everything. It is not like that. Similar is the case with the traders. Forward sales guys speak with the trader who deals in forward contract. An option sales guy deal with the option trader. IRS speak with IRS and so on and so forth. I don't know. It is like when people ask me, I wanted to be a front office in a bank. To me, it looked like I am going to an airport and saying, give me a ticket in US. And that airport person is asking, hold on, do you have a visa? Yes. Do you have a visa? Yes. Do you have a visa? Yes. Then where you wanted to go? Texas. Do you have a visa of Texas? No, I don't. Do you have a visa of New York? Do you have a visa of for Philadelphia and various other states in US? Okay, yes. Now you have a visa or maybe one visa that covers everything. Now tell me where you wanted to go in US. Texas, Philadelphia, Florida, California, New York, Manhattan, and so many states. No, I am fighting with airport person. I wanted to go to US, give me ticket, and he's saying, hello, where in US? You wanted to go Texas, Florida, California, Philadelphia, New Jersey, Manhattan, New York, and maybe so many states. Where, guys? I will give you that ticket, and first I need to see whether there is flight is available or not, or even if it is available, it comes under your pocket or not. Similarly, when people ask me that I wanted to go in a front office of a bank treasury, I feel the same example and I feel helpless to make them understand, because I cannot make them understand and I cannot make everybody understand again and again. I am the only person in the sense like I cannot answer everything or to everyone. So if you wanted to be a front office, the first take a blank piece of paper, A4 piece of paper, take a pen and just sit and see that front office is divided into so many parts, and especially in Indian context. By the way, if we speak from a US angle, then front office is divided into more than so many parts. An Indian front office person is this, and US front office person is this. And still, and by the way, still, people in US, you trade the instruments which you even cannot heard of. And by the way, US front office guys are having a dedicated accounting desk. which is completely missed in India. Which is completely missed in India. But what is the hard reality? The hard reality is really very clear, and the hard reality is that we tend to push the things which really do not exist, and we just go with certifications. And since we go with the certifications, we have a mindset that these certifications will make us a very humongous career. And by the way, I have told you very recently in one of our videos that around 500,000, which is about 500,000 jobs, has been cut in the banking system in the last 6 months, and around 5,000 plus jobs cut in the last 14 days. Congratulations. As the time progresses, coronavirus or no coronavirus, vaccine or no vaccine, the job cuts in the banking system would continue. Coronavirus is just an excuse the big banks got that, hey guys, my cost is very high, I need to cut the jobs. But the reality is the digitization. They really wanted to push towards digitization. They got to know that there is no need of so much manpower, guys. Excuse me. And I'll tell you that this job cutting is happening each and every part of the Southeast Asia. Singapore, India, maybe Dubai, Bahrain, Qatar, Hong Kong, and all these nearby Thailand, Philippines, and Oman, and all these job cuts are happening everywhere. But thanks to media, it is covered in such a delicate way that it never comes in public domain. And I'm telling you that in 2021 or probably again in 22, you will feel that huge job cuts to happen in the banking sector in Southeast Asia. And I know that many people get offended from our videos as usual. But I'm telling you that in the last 6 years, 500,000 job cut. And I don't give this data, it is by Bloomberg. This trend would continue. So guys, rather than chasing for certification, chase for knowledge. It will help you. Rather than chasing for a front office role, chase for valuation. Do you really know how to price a forward contract? Do you know how to price FCCB, foreign currency convertible bonds? Do you know how to price ADR? How to price GTR? Do you know how to do hedge accounting? Do you know how to make a formula for dollar offset model? Do you know that? And by the way, these are not the only questions. I have so many questions to ask. We hardly get 5 minutes of our life to think. Just take a plain piece of paper, A4, and just note it: forward, options, swaps, non-deliverable, OIS, FRA, and all these instruments one by one, and just see, am I aware about the valuation of these products? Am I able to compute the valuation of a forward contract as per US GAAP and IFRS? No. I am busy in certifications. Last thing, these 500 jobs, 500K, 500,000 jobs that were cut in the last 6 years, they were having the same certifications for which you are currently running. None of the 500K person, the data as per public domain, everybody was having a certification. With your permission to say, maybe few would have, few are having better certifications than you. And I'm the only one who called CFA as Certified Financial Analyst, not the Chartered Financial Analyst. So choice is yours. Treasury Consulting choice is very clear and competent. We, till the last breath of the life, run for knowledge. Go to health certifications. As simple as that. The person at the back was college dropout, and rest you know. This is more important. And very soon, Treasury Consulting learning arm Sheetal Academy would be launching the School of Corporate Treasuries. And probably in another 10 days, we would be announcing the most ambitious project of our life, which is FX Lab, but online. Maybe offline in 2022, physical in 2022, when we see that COVID-19 is completely over. So guys, choice is yours. You wanted to run for certifications, please run. The world is never short of certifications. The world is having tremendous institutes who are busy in selling certifications. And Treasury Consulting is busy selling knowledge. Choice is yours. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. Treasury Consulting is extremely pleased to announce the launch of our TRFX platform like Amazon and Netflix, and hopefully we continue to expand this platform. So have a great time and talk soon. Thank you.